Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you how to make an app from Thunkable. So great apps are not born overnight, but through the perseverance and creativity of the creators. So let's start. So you are the dynamic creators. It's all in your hand how you will create. So first of all, we'll be opening Thunkable. And if you don't have your account with Thunkable, you can just use your Gmail account and then sign up from here. You can open Thunkable. I already have an account with Thunkable, so I'm not creating a new one. You can first open Thunkable and you can sign up from here. You can see sign up over here. So you can sign up from here and then create an account with Thunkable. So whatever projects you will be doing, all will be saved online only. You don't have to download in your computer or devices. So you'll be, whenever needed, you'll be able to use them. So first you need to sign up. When you will sign up over here, you will have to I've already have an account, so I'm not signing up again. So this Thunkable, it's one of the great app with the help of which you'll be able to create wonderful applications, mobile apps, Android apps, and later on, like if you know how to design the app very nicely and how to even do the functionality of your app very nicely and even work on control blocks and everything. So you'll be able to even design professional apps also from here. So now let's start. I'll be creating an app based on I've collected few datas over here. So this is all about birds. So I'll be making an app about endangered birds. So flashcard app about endangered birds. So let's go back to our Thunkable and I'll click on create new app. So my new project name will be endangered birds. Endangered birds. I've already created about endangered animals, so I'll be creating about endangered birds. So it's because it's an educational category, so I'll be selecting educational category. And then okay, and then you can click over here. You will be use the drag and drop builder only. So who will be able to access this project? Public, everyone. Okay, so now I'll be clicking over here create, and now we'll start. So here you will arrive over here. You just need to know how to use all these components of these Thunkable, and if you know them properly, you'll be able to design wonderful app. So first of all, so let's see how can we start first. So before after starting with new project, you have to design the interface. So now you'll have to select the design in the design tab. You will have to select this is your design tab. Okay, so okay, this is your design tab. So under your design tab now, you'll be adding the components and the labels. You have buttons over here, you have labels over here, you have images over here. You can add all these things. Okay. So now let's start. So I'll be adding labels. First, I'll like choose the background. some other colors, whichever I like. Okay. Okay, I like this color, so I'm making this color, and then I'll be adding labels. Okay, because this app is about endangered bird. So at the top, I'll be writing over here. You can go over here and rename the label. So endangered birds. And if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold also. And if you want to align it in the center, you can align it in the center also. Okay, center line, you want to increase the text size, you can increase also. Okay, so now I'll be adding another one label also. Okay, here I'll be adding the introduction part. Okay, so I've collected the introduction part over here in my MS Word. So I'll copy this one instead of typing and get back to my label. And now I can add here from here. Can increase because this doesn't fit me. Okay, still there is more. Okay, wildlife trade, if there must be full stop, so I'm keeping a full stop. And then if you want to align it properly, you can use this alignment also. And if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold also. And if you want to make it some other color, you can choose over here and make it some other color too. Okay, now after that, okay, endangered birds, if you want to add even pictures also, you can search on Google. So endangered birds. Wait, okay. So I'm searching. So here are few endangered. I'm search using this image only. I'm copying the image link. Copy image link address. So I'm again going back over here. So I can add even image also if I want. First I'll shift this. This also label I'll shift a bit up so that there'll be enough space. In between I'll add this image. Okay, source. First I'll add the source. Okay, this is copy image address. Okay, now if you want to reduce the size of the image, you can reduce from here. Okay, now it's visible. And now here. Okay, now at the bottom, I'll be keeping one button also. Okay, here I'm adding one button. So now when we'll click this button, it will go to the next screen. So I'll rename this button. Now more about endangered birds. Yeah. So now you can add one more. This screen is complete. Now you can add one more screen. Okay, so now in this screen you can add the above the first bird, which was my first bird. First you can change the background of the screen. Okay, suppose I want this background or some other background, whichever you like. can add. And now, okay, first I'll add label 1. Label 1, I'll be adding the bird's name. Okay, label 1. I'll be adding the bird's name of the bird. Okay, first my name of the bird was, okay, Amar Falcon, and its scientific name is this. So I'm copying this and then putting over here. Okay, now if you want to make it bold and then increase the size. Okay, I need to decrease the font size only because it's too big now. Or you can make this like this and make it in center. Okay, it's in center. Now, next I'll be adding another one label near down below. And in between, I'll add the image of this bird. So first, let me search the image of this bird. I'll just copy and search on the net. Let me search. Pick one and select, and then whichever you like, you can select. Now I'm selecting just randomly. Okay, copy image address, and I'll get back over here and I'll select this image and file source and add. Okay, so I can reduce the size also. And get it over here. If you want to reduce more, you can reduce. Now I will add about this bird I've already collected. Hit copy. And get back to your this and instead of this label, you can paste. Increase this only this much. Can make it bold and make it live properly. So now look here, this is also ready. And now again you can add a button over here at the top so that we can move through this button only. You can move to the next screen. So here this button I'll name it as next. Okay, I'll increase the font size a bit. Make it bold only. Okay, now I'll add another one screen 3. The same thing I'll be doing here. Okay, first I'll select the color. Which color you want? The yellow. Okay, again, I will add label. Okay, 2 labels, 1 image and 1 button. You know very well what you have to add. So in this first label, I'll be adding the name of the bird. Okay, here is the name of my second bird. We'll see, and then you can add it here. And you can make it bold. And you can increase the size also. Yeah, I'll make it in middle. Okay, now I'll add the bird's image. I'll just copy and search it in Google so that Okay, now I'll copy the image address from here and go to image and your file source. I'll keep the file source over here. And if I want to reduce it, I'll reduce it like this. Okay, and now here I'll add about the details of the bird. Okay, again I'll go over here and copy the details of the bird. And now go to this label and then paste over here. Okay, it's already pasted. I'll increase because it was not able to fit. So I'll make it bold and I'll make it align properly. Okay, now I'll add at the last, I'll add another one button also. And the name of this button again, next. Next. Okay, then again I'll add the screen 4. Okay, screen 4. Again, I'll change the background. Okay, background. And now again I'll be adding labels, image, and then again label. And at last I'll be adding button. So now which bird is it? Let me see. I'll copy this again. Control C. Go this label and name this label. Put this label at the top. Okay, now make it bold and make it in the center. Okay, that's fine. And now I'll increase a bit size of it. Yeah. Now I'll be adding image of it. The eagles. Copy this image. And again, go back my Thunkable. I'll click on image, file source. Image address. Okay, it's here. So I can reduce a bit. It's too big. Okay. Now below this, I'll be adding about this bird. Okay, then go back to Word and you don't have to add too many lines also. You can add a bit only. Here I'll go in this label and paste over here. Okay, it was not fitted. Make it bold and align it properly. Okay, alignment also is done. And now button, I'll add one more. Okay, button will be named as next. Okay, by clicking on this, we'll be able to go in the next. Okay, next. Now screen 5. Okay, okay, we'll select the background. Okay, again, I'll be adding label. Then image. Then label. Then button. Okay, let's arrange all these. The first label, next bird. This bird. Okay, Control C. And I'll begin going and renaming this label. Okay, and I'll be making this bold and increasing the font size a bit. in image. I'll copy this image also and go to your image and paste the link of the image. And now I'll paste about this bird too. So that this also is completed. Control C. Okay, here, Control V. Okay, it's all completed over here. Learn the text also. Now this button also I will name it as next. Now next screen. Screen 6. Let me select the background again. Okay, this is very dark. I'll select the light. Yellow. Okay, this. Now label. Again image. Again label. Then button. Okay, everything I'm having is these are the 4 things only we are inserting right now. Okay, so now next is which bird? California. About whatever you are preparing, you can research on that and then find out all the information and get started so that it becomes easy for you. Okay, now let's add about the picture of this bird. Again, I'll go to Google and search. Copy image address. And now again, where? Okay, your picture here also here. Now reduce the size a bit. Now the label will also come up. This button I'll name as next. Okay, label. I'll be adding about this bird. Control C. Okay. So make it bold and then make the line just right. Okay, next. Now again another screen. Screen number 7. Again you can change the color. Okay, allow them again label. Image. Label button. Okay, so this label. Control C. Rename this label. And I'll put this here and I'll make it bold. Increase the size a bit. I'll make it center. Okay. Shift this a bit here. Okay. And now image of this bird too. Let's copy the name from here. We'll see. And now I'll go to search. And then copy the image address. And go to image and file source. Okay, my image is here. Let me reduce it so that everything gets fitted over here. So now about this bird, if this is small, Control C. Okay, let me write in this label. Okay. Let me make it bold. Let me make alignment also. And here I will rename this button again. Next. Next screen. Screen number 8. We'll be making this last screen. You can add more screen if you want. So I'll be making here this last screen. So which color you want now? Okay, this color. Okay, I'll be adding label, image, image, and then again label, button. Right. So now this label name of the bird first. If you want more, you can add more also. It doesn't matter. But now, because of lack of time, I'm not adding much. So let's make it bold and let's increase the size a bit. And I'll make it up and line center. Okay, I'll copy this name of the bird and start the picture of it. I'll copy this image address, go to image and paste it. Now here I have my image. So I'll reduce the size of this image also so that everything gets fitted over here. And now label. Okay. So I'll add about this bird now. Copy this from here. Now I'll be adding of the bird. Yeah. Drag it so that everything gets fitted over here. So bold. And then alignment. Okay, button also. Now, okay, now this is my last screen, so I can say thank you, and then thank you will be linked again back to the screen 1. Okay, so now these are the flashcards I have made. Now let me link. Next step will be going to blocks and then linking these blocks. So let us start from screen 1. We will be linking the buttons to the blocks with the help of blocks. So let me first go to screen 1. So we'll be linking this button only. So on this button, now when button 1 will be clicked, and what will we do? We will be going to, when button 1 will be clicked, we will be navigating to the screen to, okay, next navigation button you can add. Okay, navigate to screen 2. When button 1, because we are already here in screen 1, so when button 1 will be clicked, then we will navigate to screen 2. Now again, let's click on to screen 2. Same thing we will be doing. Screen 2, here we have button 2. So we'll be adding control on this button 2. When button 2 click, we'll be moving to where? Screen 3. So now control button, navigate to screen 3. Okay, now this also done. Now let's go to screen 3. Okay, so we'll be adding on button 3 now. When button 3 will be clicked, then what we'll do, we'll go to screen 4 now. So go to screen 3 and go to control and navigate. Now we'll be going to screen 4. Yes, screen 4. And now again screen 3. Yes, sorry, screen 4 now. Again, we'll be adding controls over button 4. So when button 4 is clicked, then what we'll do, we'll be going to screen 5. So let's go to screen 4 and control, navigate to screen 5. Okay, now perfect. Screen 5. Okay, button 5 will be adding controls. Okay, when button 5 click, we'll be going to screen 6. Okay. Okay, screen 5, control, navigate to screen 6. Okay, screen 6. Now when screen 6, button 6 is clicked, okay, then we'll be navigating to screen 7. Screen 7. Okay. Then after that, when screen 7, button 7, when button 7 clicked, we'll be navigating to screen 8. Okay, this is our last, this one. So, okay, screen 8 also we have. So navigating to screen 8. And now the last one, when button 8 is clicked, we'll be navigating back again to screen 1. So we have interlinked all these. Okay, so now screen 8, control, navigate to, okay, screen 1. Okay, so now finally we have done this. Can we see our web preview? How will our app look like? Okay, thank you. Okay, first screen we are here. And now more about endangered bird. Next, 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 next. Thank you. So this was our full app. If you want, you can launch it also. I have made on endangered birds. So if you want, you can make of any other topic. So as you enjoy, and thank you.